Hey everyone, Louis here at Steadfast Construction and Designs, here to show you through how we've got on in the first week of converting this 4-bedroom property into a 7-bedroom full-on suite HMO. What I'd like to do is welcome you in, show you what we've done. So to talk you through some of the main highlights this week, we have given this property a massive diet by taking out lots of the fittings and furnishings, about two tons worth. So you can imagine this property is getting a few looks from the locals around here. We are talking of the locals. We found that some of the local shops here, they've appreciated the extra business that we've been giving them from our team, as we're obviously spending more money, which helps towards the local economy. Other highlights are that we've began the first stage of the first fix plumbing wise, connecting the sewers up. You'll start to see some of the en-suites coming together here, and next week the plan is to take down some of the back walls. We've been back and forth to trade centres, as well as ordering pallets worth of stock as well, for us to be able to hit the ground running next week. Other than that, as well in the loft area, we are looking to utilise some of the extra space that wasn't being used before, so that will help with increasing the appeal of the property, but overall looking to help with the functionality of the property. So at the moment it's got 2 bathrooms in the whole property, one of them a bathroom, one of them a WC. So with us adding 7 en-suites to the property, it certainly helps it become more functional as a HMO, as you can appreciate. So here we are in one of the larger bedrooms here. Still need to do a bit of stripping the wallpaper. In the bottom corner here you can start to see the main sewer is starting to be connected up. We've got about a couple more meters downstairs to connect up, and then we'll be connected to the main sewer, which is great news. So I thought we'd come to the top of the property. Came from outside where it's raining. It is quite actually useful to have a bit of wet weather in the UK when you're working on a property, because you can find out in the first couple of days where leaks are coming in from, if the gutters are all working, stuff like that, which is very useful actually. So here we are in the loft. As you can see, we've knocked down the side walls, and we're looking to use a couple more meters, a metre or so into the sides, so that'll increase the floor space in here. Down in the corner you can see en-suite area for the sewer line. So works wise, certainly getting ahead of ourselves, which is encouraging. 3rd bedroom, you can actually see this going up to the attic where we've just been. Need to strip up some wallpaper in here. We've taken the fire doors off. You'll be pleased to know that we, being responsible, leaving a good footprint, we've recycled. We're looking to recycle the locks off the old fire doors. So yes, I appreciate we had fire doors, however they weren't quite meeting regulations. That's the reason we've taken them off. But we are looking to help save the planet with recycling the locks off them. 4th bedroom here. Going to strip some wallpaper, taking the doors off, and oh, what's that? That wasn't there before. There's a new access area into the new en-suite that's going to be going through there, and that was completed by one of the new guys here. We are taking care of the staff, of course. Brought them some new boots, which they fully appreciated. Here at the bottom of the stairs you can see, here's the door handles that we'll be recycling. Just show some of them in case you're not too familiar. There you go, locks, plates. So yeah, there's about, I don't know, 15 kilos worth of recycled goods there. And we have, yeah, figures wise, taken out a good 2 tons worth of fixtures and fittings, so the property's had a good diet this week. Sewer works coming down from the rooms we've just been in. And what I'll do is I'll actually in this video take you down to the basement where you'll actually see that we have started to get the sewer works connected to the outdoors. I know last week it was a bit too dark, but this week I'll show you what's going on, give you a sneak preview down there. The wallpaper has come off in this room partially, which is great. There was a second doorway here that's been taken out. Our carpenter will work their magic there. Staircase, nice features. Looking to keep that, recycle that. Out here we can see there's an inspection cover, so that really needed upgrading because the last one was just no good. I'll show you a bit of the garden afterwards as well. And I'll just give me a moment to just turn on my flashlight. Bear with me as I go down these treacherous stairs, and I'll showcase some of our plumbing work for you. So as you can see, this is the sewer works coming down from the 3 rooms upstairs, and it'll be connecting onto this one that goes outside where we've just shown you. So that's the basement. Alright, and again I'm going to watch my step. So we're back up to the ground floor level. We're in a room where the wall will actually be knocked down. This wall behind me will be knocked down, so once we've got the support beams we'll be able to start on that next week, as well as this room. This wall here will be coming down as well. So this was the old kitchen, so we've ripped all that out, as you can see by the tile marks right there. Old boiler system gone. This is the other side of that wall. And just going into the second bathroom of the property, the old one. This will soon be becoming a bedroom. All the tiles have been taken off, bath out, radiator off. Hop outside. There we are, garden area. And there's a house. Take a mental picture as we'll be painting that. Just come back in. So there you are, you can see we've done substantial work to the property. It's certainly gone through a massive diet. There's the old electric board. The boiler room will be going here, as well as the electric board as well. So there you have it, you've seen the bedrooms, the sewer works, the doorway, sink that we've recycled as well. Sink that we've been ultimately hard developing a quality product for a really good price as well. So please continue to watch, enjoy your weekends, please come back to us and join us next week. Again, this is Steadfast Construction and Design checking out. Take care, see you soon.